All right, well, I guess I'm live. Hold on. Let me see if this is actually legit. I think I'm live right now. Let's see. Oh, let's go. I am live right now. All right. Good morning, guys. We are watching NQ. This is my first live stream. Pretty hype. I mean, I don't know what's watching, but it's fine by me. I'm still getting the hang of setting all this up, but this is cool. Knowing like right now I'm literally live on YouTube. That's awesome. Double check, make sure everything's good here. Yeah, no, everything looks pretty solid. Got everything set up nicely. The computer looks good. I guess I could try to edit this real quick. See if I can move my camera around. Just over here. See if that do anything. I don't think so. Huh. Should make it easier to edit, but that's okay. We'll keep it as is. You guys can see the price of NQ. I was gonna try to show that part, but that's fine. Oh man, this is cool. Wow. Yeah, so we're just watching this. What else can I say? I guess I'll just practice from here. So I started my trading back in, I guess I could say 2020, but I wasn't really trading options. I was just shares. But that got me into trading options in the fall of 2021. And at that time, when you don't know anything about options and you see the market's only going up, it's very easy to just play one side, which for me was calls. And I was in these Discord groups and I see everyone complaining that the market keeps pumping. I'm like, why is everyone getting mad that it's pumping? That's good. Because I'm just buying and swinging calls. I'd be asleep in my dorm, wake up before my 10 a.m., laying in bed, see I'm up $200, sell the contract, go back to sleep, and then wake up again. It was awesome. All right, so I see Trump just announced a pending trade deal with China. So I guess we're going to start pumping all-time highs. Let's see. That's already priced in. It's probably already priced in, but oh, here we go. All-time highs. But yeah, so I was like, trading's so easy. Why doesn't everyone do this? And then once the market stopped going up, then I was like, oh, that's why. I started swinging on earnings for Palantir back when it was $20. Apple, I forgot what Apple was. I think that was before they did the stock split. So I think they were a few $100, 400, I think, something like that. Yeah. I probably should just go long here since that news just came out. But yeah, so I got smoked on those earnings, and then it was just downhill from there. I made 7,000, took out a few thousand, and then lost the rest. That's just how it goes. No like crazy losses. Then I stopped doing it for a little bit because I ran out of money. Got a job at TGI Fridays, server, saved up, traded again, lost most of that. Then I decided to get into wholesaling real estate. All right, I dropped out in 2022 from college because it just wasn't for me. I was taking on so much debt. Like my GPA wasn't bad. I mean, it wasn't great. It was like a 2.5. I was taking on so much debt for a marketing degree. Not even like it was finance. And yeah, I was like, I'm wasting my time here. So decided to stop going to college. Decided to pursue entrepreneurship full time with wholesaling real estate. Tried that for 6 months. Made a good friend of mine that I'm still friends friends with to this day, from South Carolina. Shout out to my boy CJ. Um, yeah, that didn't pan out. Then we tried doing AI automations for small businesses. That didn't pan out. So then August of 2023 is when I got back into trading. And that was only options. Then I started with the props. I really started with the props in January 2024. I got introduced to it in December 23. But yeah, since then I've taken, I'd say, yeah, 14,000 in payouts. I took out three last year, and so far two this year, March and April, of $6,000 in payouts. May was tough. May was definitely humbling. I didn't trade well in May. Definitely, my psychology was all thrown off in May. I don't know what happened. I really fell off the wagon. Like, I don't even want to blame price action because I definitely still could have traded this price action, but better. But I think things are starting to clear up again. My main problem with this market is just, or the past whole month, I think I was salty that I didn't make as much money as I should have on this pump up, at least not with options. I kept trying to fight the trend, and the pump just made no sense to me. I'm like, why did we bounce back so fast? But I mean, this pump was historic, guys. This is like this is insane. Like this one God candle that came in, I thought this day was just gonna be a fluke because I mean, as you can see, we sold off for like a week after that. But then we just shot right back up again with, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 green. Oh, damn it. I was supposed to go long. Forgot. I was too busy talking. Forgot about CPI. Oh well. Still want to go long, but wow, that was probably the easiest money people made. Damn. That wasn't anything crazy. That was such easy money. But whatever, I'm streaming. So what's it called? Yeah. Um, am I even streaming right now? I think I am. Let me see. I should have on this pump up, at least not with options. I kept trying to fight the trend. Okay, yeah, so I am streaming. had to make sure. Yeah, this pump was crazy. Nice little 100-point 1 minute candle. Oh, not even 60 points. I could live with that. Oh wait, no, that was over 100. Fuck. Damn. Why did I not set a limit order? Oh, I was too busy talking on stream. That's why. To nobody. But yeah, so yeah, May was rough. I kept trying to fight the trend. Kept getting smoked for it. But the thing is, I would fight the trend. I would go take counter trend trades, and I'd be up on almost all of them. But the only problem was the dip buyers kept coming in and slurping the candles right back up to push the price back up again and stop me out. And that would make me tilt 9 times out of 10. Because like, come on, like it didn't matter how many points I was going for. I could have been going for like 15 points and to be right there, and then it would reverse again. But then I can blame it on entries. Like I'm not gonna play victim. Like obviously I could have traded way better. But yeah, I mean, this pump was pretty crazy. That's probably what this candle was, the trade deal. And this was CPI. The whole reason I came on early this morning was to trade that freaking news candle. But whatever. I mean, I'm only trading evals today. I don't have any fundeds just because of how poorly I traded. We'll try for one short here. This short's probably gonna get cooked. I want to take it back down to where am I taking it down to? Back to below 22,000. One lot. Everyone knows the rules. We'll take it to 982 if it could get down there. So I'm just setting my order right now. Boom. There we go. I mean, it's probably got a bull flag and then just shoot up even higher. Do we top take that? I mean, this is only an eval, but I do want to practice good risk management. That's another reason why I'm streaming right now is to really lock into my trading again. I feel like my trading's definitely fallen off this past month. I know I'm not the only one. Like I've seen a lot of people on X post about it, but I don't want to be included in that group. I want to be included in the group that's still getting paid out consistently, constantly. Oh, I should. All right, let me set my stop. 20 points higher. Because I'm most likely, we'll see. Make it 77, even 20. We're risking, what are we risking? 20 to make more than that. All right, well, it's a 3-1, 3-1 RR. I mean, we are both flagging. This is definitely a high risk trade. I don't even hate my entry. I'll probably just shoot right back up again. If anything, I'll just buy another eval. I'm already planning on buying another eval before it gets stopped out. At least this gives me a fighting chance. One lot. $400 loss. I mean, yeah. It's just this market refuses to quit, man. That's what makes it so tough. So yeah, we're just watching, waiting, staying patient. Yeah, I mean, whenever I'm in drawdown like this, I just look away. Oh, we got stopped out. That's typical. All right, we're definitely buying a new eval today. Oh well, it's no one in the chat, right? I don't think anyone's watching. All right. I'm gonna be shorting all day and getting cooked in the process. All right, so now we just gotta wait until 9:45. Another hour, 10 minutes, and we'll see what happens. When did I get stopped out? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Bull flagging. So now, oh my gosh, when is my next level? Ugh. Bro, like this is the most relentless market I've ever seen in my life. I mean, this is worse than 2021. This one's insane. This is the most ridiculous bull market I've ever seen in my life. It doesn't make any sense. Like, I'm not complaining about it, but I just don't get it. I guess because I don't know. Like, it just made me rethink everything I've learned. Like, I feel like I don't know anything about the market at this point. The way this shit just pans out, like, how are we still pumping? How are we? I thought these prices were inflated because of Biden, because of all the money that was printed. I just don't get how it's still going up. Yeah, I don't have any levels. Maybe this one. I don't know. Well, I guess since there's no levels, they're just gonna keep pumping. I'll do like the Fibonacci, the fib extension. Well, it's just up. Like this is we had one red day at like 2 weeks. I don't even know anymore. I haven't done fibs in a long time, but it doesn't really seem like I have much of a choice. Like, bro, there's nothing. Now it just looks like a mess. Next soul's not until like the 400s. It's this realistically, this is a day I would just sit out. But since I'm streaming, like this, just for me is not tradable. I'm sure people are making thousands off that easy money pump. Let's go on X right now. Let's see how many people printed out that pump. Because I'm sure people already put. Yeah, Pat Whelan, there he is. First guy I see. You already know he made money. Yeah, called it. We were long 17 contracts on Q from to CPI report. Yeah, that's about right. I mean, no, that was literal free money. I just missed it because I'm fucking streaming. Whatever. It's an eval. Doesn't matter. Look at this. I'm so tempted to just like buy 2 lots right now at the fucking top. So tempted. Oh my gosh, the masculine urge to short. It's gonna pump again. Oh my gosh, so stupid. Why does it pump every CPI? I should just. I forgot to set my friggin' orders. It bull flags every time before CPI too, which is crazy. Okay, that's gotta be it. Hammer candle. I mean, it doesn't have to be anything. I don't really care. I think that's what's been causing my tilt because I'll miss the pump every single time, and then I take the opposite trade and get smoked for it. Rightfully so, but still. It's like, what are we doing? So what'll probably help is if news gets canceled from the trade deal. The CPI long was so obvious, I just didn't take it. I was too busy talking. I was yapping up a storm. That was so obvious. That was such an obvious play. So now this short doesn't look too bad, but we're forming a bull flag. It's probably just basing here. It's probably a good buy for a pullback. I can't touch it because I'm probably just gonna be wrong. However, for my trend line traders, it did just break the trend line, but what's gonna happen is buyers are gonna slurp it right back up again, and then take it over. It's like 22,200. Look, bro, I'm psychic. And that's just pure pattern recognition at this point. So now what I would love to see is a nice big old fat red candle coming in next. Just because I'm a bear. Perma bear. Perma bear for life. Not that perma bears actually make any money, but yeah, look at this. No, the shorting here was stupid. I mean, this I didn't take the short here, but my full intention was to go long. I just didn't go long. I missed it. It's all right. I'm just gonna have to actually trade my setup now. Nice little bull. I mean, this is free money. This is so obvious. No, if you went short on this, I mean, I'm not one to hate on people's plays, but like, come on. We're on the uptrend. We got more of that, I guess you could call accumulation, whatever it's called. V-shaped reversal, forming a pullback, bull flag, slingshot, 200 points higher. I mean, that's easy money. I missed it. I just missed it. I was never planning on fading that. I just wasn't fully locked in to take that. I should have been. And that's why my trading's been crap recently. I haven't been locked in. I'm not locked in on plays. I'm done fucking shorting. And that's when the market's going to tank. Today is the day. Watch us sell off at open, though. So wait for us to come back to the 60s, short into the 60s. That doesn't even look bad, to be honest. I kind of like that play. We're still over the 9 EMA, so this could just as easily be a pullback and then we push back up again. The buyers are just so strong. They've been banding together for every pullback. Am I FOMOing if I take this short? Yeah, let it do its thing. Because I don't think it's going into the 60s now. All right, short. I went short there because we kept breaking back into the 40s. But since I went short, the market was like, all right, time to pump it. That's another thing, dude. I've been taking my losses so personal. Like it just feels like I don't know if it's the universe or God or whatever, but it just feels like whenever I'm in a trade, it just doesn't work out for some reason, or it'll work out for a little bit, but then it just goes a whole other direction. Yeah, this is a FOMO entry. Why am I FOMOing on an eval, dude? It looked like it was gonna keep selling off and then flush back down. Because my logic is that, okay, since I'm not FOMOing, that's when it's gonna flush. But if I do FOMO, that's when it's gonna pump. So I just it just feels like a lose-lose situation. Like I know I'm being highly logical, but I'm just gonna cut this trade. But yeah, let's see. How much am I down right now? 518, whatever. Lost $100. GG's. I mean, if I keep shorting, it's gonna keep pumping. I gotta just stay out. So I'll just yap. Do what I did before. There it is. Okay, that's gotta be it. That's the one. Rejected the 60s, 59, whatever. This one I'll hold into the 60s. 61 will be my stop. Oh, we are definitely hitting the daily drawdown limit today. No doubt about it. Luckily, on another eval, I already had 1500 from last night because I can't trade New York to save my life. So we're good there. Yeah, we flush back down again. Should see an ounce of green for a split second. There we go. Called it. At least we didn't bottom take it. I do want to see the flush it open though. So I'll try to survive for that flush if we get it. Or this is 100% getting stopped out. I mean, I'm trading an eval, and this isn't even my full strategy, so I can't even. I'm not going to be like that. I'm not going to complain. These are mostly gamble trades. I'm not. I'm not even going to lie. Mostly just gambling here. But it's an eval. Oh, there we go. Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. Oh, if we erase this whole candle, that would be insane. But it's gonna wick. If not this one, the next one's just gonna be a full on boner green candle. I would love to see this whole pumpkin erase though. Take it back down to here. Take it down to the VWAP. Take it to the VWAP. Dirty man. Isn't it gonna dun, 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 dun. Take it to the VWAP. Go ahead, be gone with it. Oh wow, okay, there we go. 15 points. Trim, 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 trim. Oh wait, I'm only one lot. So let's take out this what I call the liquidity tool because anytime I use this thing, I get reversed on. For whatever reason, everyone else has the best luck in the world when they use this tool. But for me, my trades hardly ever work when I use this. Maybe like 1 out of 10 trades work when I use this tool. Yeah, I can be very superstitious when it comes to trading, which is probably what's held me back this month, but it's hard to believe. 8.5 R. Hey, let's see what happens. Where is that? 52? Okay. That's where I'll be at. 52. We'll just hold it. This is erasing the entire move. Let's see the 15-minute. Where's the view up on the... All right, we'll make it a legit trade. We'll do 52. There. Was that 90-something points? All right, so I want to get the full 100, so we're going to bring that lower. There. On the off chance that this actually hits. I think we don't go up from here. Hot take. Let's see what happens. All right, let's go. We top ticked it. There we go. Oh man. Yep, I see you got some people coming in. That's cool. Yeah, so we might have top ticked this short. I don't want to see it go up further from here. I think we flush during market open, or we might get like that one last pump that'll probably stop me out and then come down. But I think that's top for the day. Not that what I think matters, but it'd be cool to catch a nice 100-point move, especially before open. But we did take 2 losses, so you can see my executions here. I was just a little early, but once we broke out of this trend line, I figured we'd start going down from here. This one I cut manually. I was like, screw it. I'm probably just gonna get stopped out again. Then it came back down to 50, and I was like, all right, I'm just gonna take it here. Show them in 1 minute. Yeah, I was looking at the 2 minute. I wasn't even looking at the one. Like this didn't really look that great the short, but then this candle came in, and these are going down too. But like I said, guys, could easily get reversed on. And this is only an eval, so it doesn't really matter that much. I mean, right now I'm basically at break even. I'll show you my count. If you guys could see that, yeah. Right? I think you could see that. Yeah. So we're just watching. But I do think we're at top for the day. And it would be nice to catch a 100-point move to the downside. I was never short CPI. I was just like I was kind of yapping before while I was on stream. And missed this entire bull flag to the upside. I mean, this is like the most obvious. If you went short on this, like I understand your pain because I've been getting short and stopped out multiple times this past month on bullish moves. But we did have a bull flag here, higher highs, higher lows. Um, I mean, this is like the most obvious bullish pump setup that there was. I just missed it. Like I was planning on going long going into it. I just never set my orders. Like I would have hindsight, I would have set my orders at like 960, 2 lots, and just wrote it up to make 30 something points, 37 and a half points. But yeah, right here, up 200 bucks right now because I had lost 500 before. Um, and yeah, TP is that VWAP. So we're going for a 100-point move, a little bit over 100-point move from where I was at. 8.7 RR. I mean, I won't be surprised if we get stopped out. I have no expectations. But if we catch a 100-point move, that'd be awesome. Right now, we're at this 50% retracement here, just about. That's usually where price likes to bounce. I just think this whole thing gets erased. But you never really want to forecast where price could go. Like, oh, I think this is going to happen. So let me play this because I think it's going to happen. You should have some type of setup or rationale as to why you think it's going to happen. Like, for me, seeing how price has been pumping and seeing how the market moves in waves, we haven't had a wave in a while. And I hate to say the words I think or I feel like, but I feel like we're just so overextended here. We're near all-time highs, but if there was any area for it to reject, this spot would be an ideal spot for it to reject. I don't know. I'm kind of just yapping, but I did have a setup though. My setup was that it was a failed bull flag, and there's a saying on Wall Street that goes, there's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish pattern, and there's nothing more bearish than a failed bullish pattern. And this here was a failed bull flag on the 2-minute chart. We couldn't break this previous high, got flushed right back down, broke through this bull flag. So that's why I'm pretty much expecting a full-on reversal back to the downside. Coupled with being overextended and seeing how trade deals are already looking like they got priced in. I mean, we had that trade deal news this morning. I think that's what caused this candle to happen. But I don't know. We could just keep pumping and then go straight to all-time highs. Like I've really, at this point, anything's possible. The bulls have yet to cease to amaze me this past this past month. Just buying up all the dips on my puts and it's getting me smoked. But that's just how it goes. You can't take losses personal, guys. It's the best way to go about handling losses is just seeing where you went wrong, adjusting to the market, seeing how the market's actually moving, and executing your trades from there. Not being taking trades solely predicated on your bias, because when you do that, that's just a recipe for disaster. Because you're going to think that your bias is absolute and infallible, and then what happens is you get so rigid, so caught up in like, oh, the market has to go down, or if you're in a pullback and you're trying to go along, but it keeps pulling back, you're like, oh, it has to go up. Just because you're trading with the trend doesn't mean it has to keep trending. And just because you're trading against the trend, since it seems like the trend's overextended, doesn't mean the trend's overextended and doesn't mean the trend's going to stop trending. So you just got to adjust how the market's moving. And if you feel too rigid on your bias, like you feel like the market has to go down, but it's only been pumping up, just wait. Just sit out, be objective with the market first before you have any type of bias, and then maybe place a trade that's congruent with your bias or congruent with how you believe the market's moving. And bonus points if both those things are together, if you're biased with how the market's actually moving. But yeah, so I'm so ready for just a whole god candle to come in and stop me out at any point, just because that's what's been happening to me this entire past month and a half. But yeah, should I move my stop to break even? No, because consolidate. It's still. I'm going to keep it here. I like that spot because I feel like if I move it to break even, there's going to be like that one candle that shoots back up, wicks me out, and then comes down. So I'm just going to keep my stop where it's at. I like it here. I could put it here too in the 30s, but that's only 10 points away. That's like a bit of a tight stop. And like I said, I'm also training eval. So can't really, I'm not going to take it that serious. Looks like we're breaking out of another bear flag. Here we go. Doing this Pat Whelan style. If I was really a gangster, if I was really ballsy, I'd add another contract here. But since it's a counter trend trade, we're not going to do that. But yeah, this is kind of neat. We're up 20. Oh, never mind. Take it all back. It's over. Fun while it lasted. Abandoned ship. What I want to see from here is a red can. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Let me secure profits. But then I feel like a bitch if it works. If it. Ah, damn, this is tough. All right, I'm keeping it break even. There. Because then from here, it's 20 points. Like, if it rallies another 20 points, I was just wrong. All right, at least we're not losing anything. Maybe commissions, but that's okay. All right, nice. Nice. Actually, it feels good to trail. I usually hate the trail, but you know what? I got to practice getting good at trailing because that's how you play the prop game, guys. You got to trail your stops, even on Topstep. Because just because it doesn't have the trailing drawdown intraday doesn't mean you shouldn't trail your stops. Because especially with NQ, the amount of reversals that happen on a daily basis within seconds on the 1 minute chart is absurd. So you got to be prepared for that. And the best way to be prepared for that is trailing. Yeah, all right, we got. I'm so tempted to cut this, but the Bears are finally having a set of balls and pushing it down. It's about time. But my God, never mind. Bears suck. I'll keep my stop at break even. I'm gonna be angry when it stops me out, but that's where I just gotta put on my big boy pants and not be a baby about it. It's so rough, dude. So tough. Man, and it's always like that one candle, dude. What a shame. What a shame. 1 minute candle. Look at that. All right. Trying to stay patient, guys. It's an eval, so I'm not tripping about it. Try not to trip about it. Oh, is patience paying? Is patience paying off? No way. So now from here, if we collapse even further, then I'll move my stop to above this high. Try to secure 10 points. All right, so we're gonna need a heck of a lot more than that. We're gonna need this thing to go to friggin' 0. It's got to break back to 21,000s. Thank you, dude. I mean, a little too early to say thank you. I haven't even hit my 8.7 RR trade. Wow, that 2 minute candle's fucked for bulls. They're probably like, oh, let me take this bear flag breakout. But now we're gonna probably pump back up again from here because if it can't break to 12, then it's over. But there's so much room. Free falling and I'm free falling. Free falling. Okay. What's the low of this candle here? It's 14. All right, so it's setting up a base here. That's unfortunate. At least for the Bears. For the Bulls, they get to just keep having fun, enjoying life. Bear flag breakout to the downside. All-time lows. I mean, we're going for a 100-point trade here, guys. Like, what are we doing? If we actually catch 100 points, I'm not gonna do anything about it, but I will be happy about it. Oh my gosh. Wow, bro. Like 1 minute. Like, all right. So we'll try to secure some profits, I guess. I hate to do it, but there. All right. We're securing a little over 200. What? Bro. God damn it. All right. That's that. What the fuck? That's why I don't trail my stops, guys. Get the fuck out of here. What? Bro. Why, dude? I mean, so there I got a full port short now. Come on. They did their liquidity grab. All right. Time to compensate for my losses. That was insanity, dude. That was some bullshit. What the fuck? Oh, so this is a revenge trade. That was insane. What? Bro, that's why I don't trail my stops. That's why I don't like trailing. Because then as soon as I get stopped out, it comes back in my favor. This is why I don't trail, guys. That's insanity, dude. What was that? This is 100% a revenge trade. Pure, nothing but emotion. But that was like, that's a trigger. I mean, that's like the mother of all triggers right there. And this trade erases my profits. I mean, it's a trigger, but it's also, I want to see a continuation down. Because the trade hasn't been invalidated. That's why I should have fucking trailed it. Ugh, I hate trailing, bro. I'm done. This one's blown. Okay. Wow, my entry was 15. I didn't realize that. All right, flush. You know what's crazy? This trade has not seen an ounce of green. I somehow bottom ticked the short on this. That's wild. But it's still holding. Look at that. But this, guys, this has been my entire month and a half. Just so you guys know. Like, this is what I was talking about before is exactly this. Like, this type of stuff has been happening to me the entire freaking month. I mean, this one's on me. Like, this revenge trade, this is 100% me. But that, like, that bullshit here, that's my whole month, bro. Just on the 1 minute candle, just all profits erased in milliseconds. That's how hard this shit's been. Because I'm missing the long. So when I go short, it grinds down and then just wicks me out on a 1 minute candle. All my, like, I could be up, I was up almost 1,000 on one lot. And then just 1 second, it's all erased. That's why this market has been so hard for me. Like, it's an eval. I'm only getting emotional just because past trauma's coming back from all this, from this fucking market. But I think news came out. What was it? 55% tariffs or something? Was that bullish? I don't know. But yeah, like this specific instance, I mean, that was kind of funny. But it's just like this whole market has just been this way for me. Like, my whole trading has been dog shit because of the, like, moves like that. Literally, if I just kept my stop break even, it would have been fine. No, so this eval is getting blown. I'm ready to buy another one. Thankfully, no one's watching it, so I'm chilling. But yeah, that's so frustrating though. Yeah. What a shame. Based at my entry. Well, I'm not really being held accountable because I know no one's really watching right now, but and it was such an easy pump. But then you just see all over the timeline, everyone caught that pump. Yeah, we're just chilling, guys. I mean, but don't worry, I'll buy another eval. I'm already up on one, like I said before. I'm up 1500 on one, and I'm ready to pass tomorrow. I mean, we'll see if God allows it, but I don't know. Like, it's just such. I'm not gonna complain on stream. I'll save it for when the stream's done. I mean, no, this one right here is 100% me. Like that. This one's on me, but this was bullshit. I mean, come on. Of course, I 1 point. Of course, when I trail it, dude. Happens to every trader though. Can't take it personal, but it feels personal. That's for sure. And this also feels like really right at my. I mean, if you don't laugh, you cry because it's. Of course, where I enter ends up being support. Doesn't even go any lower. That's insane. No, this accounts 100%. This unless it flushes now, it's 100% getting blown, or at least we're hitting DDL. I do still want to see 950s, but probably won't see that until after open. We get that pump at open, 20 minutes to blow my account for the day, for this count, and then the next one right after that it'll flush. It's got to make sure I'm stopped out first. But here this is like I'm, I guess I'm not that deep in drawdown, but no, because as soon as I think about cutting it, it pumps even higher. So I'm just gonna let it blow. I'm just gonna let it blow the account. It's an eval. It's an eval. Don't give a shit. Although I should a little bit. All right, it's gone. Bear flag breakout, failed bearish pattern, back to the pump to new all-time highs. GG's, unless this one gets wicked down, which I doubt. Ah, man. Sad, but whatever. I should probably just cut this trade here. I mean, 50 bucks left. Let's just blow it. Pump 50 bucks higher, and I'm buying. I'm going to buy another one. All right, so that's blown. Buying a new one for the day. Starting the day off strong, as per usual. Starting a combine. Thankfully, no one's watching. I told you guys it's a liquidity tool. I told you guys that fucking R&R bullshit is a liquidity tool. But at least now I'll just wait for my setup. Here, don't worry. I'll show you guys my good account so you don't have to look at this one anymore. I mean, I did have a lot of executions on this one. Yeah, well, you can't see them, so that's good. But I only had a lot of executions because what's it called? Consistency rule. Because I made like so much on one trade. Not to flex, obviously, but it's an eval. I still can't believe I missed that long this morning. Literally, I would have been fine if I didn't get fucking stopped out. I will never trail my stop and profit again. It's break even or nothing, dude. That is what I vow. I can't trail and profit because that's a pussy way to trade. I feel like a bitch for trailing like that. I will never trail and profit again. I would rather either take a loss, maybe break even, or take a profit. Anything in between, small profit, I will not tolerate. I'd rather lose. And it's so stupid, but it's so true because when that happens, it sucks. Because I know I'm right. I know I'm fucking right. That's what I'm so mad about, dude. Such BS, man. Such BS. But whatever. We got a new eval, so we're back. Try to get this one going. Just the trauma's coming back of this whole month and a half of just reversal after reversal when the short is the only play to take, and then it just reverses because I move my stop and I get stopped out. So aggravating. I'm gonna bitch and moan this entire stream, but that is just so frustrating, dude. Because the short still looks amazing. Well, not amazing. Now we're just going. It's only 15 minutes to market open. I always get screwed this time. Like doesn't matter where I enter. I go long here, it'll flush. If I go short here, it'll pump. So now it'll flush. Now we're just gonna watch. We're gonna wait. It'll be okay. Yeah, go back to where my initial entry was, or my initial TP was. Okay, let's get this party started. So now I would love to take the short here, but I'm guaranteed by the markets and God to get stopped out if I go short. So I'm not gonna go short. Just to help out my fellow bears, I'm not going short, so it could it can sell off. But yeah, no, well. I don't even think it's gonna get the volume until market open anyway. Everyone's talking about this China trade deal. They didn't even agree to it. Why are they doing this? Well, I guess until they both approve it. Oh, so like the deal was written out. The terms have been written on a piece of paper, but neither one of the leaders actually agreed to it yet. I'm so confused. Let the market fucking tank already. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm still alive. I was so close to going short too. See now, if I was going for 100 points, I mean that would have been amazing. That would have been a great trade. Oh, right. Totally forgot. I called my cousin. It's his birthday today. Where's he at? There he is. See if he picks up. Ah. All right, so we're just gonna wait till 9:30 now. Chilling here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's like that's been this whole month and a half. It's just been big move, chop, 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 chop. End of the day, big move. Oh, that's nice. So I must just apologize to Trump. It's about time because that was crazy. You're just going off on him. Yeah, so we're just waiting for market open. I mean, yeah, that's it. I'll be on stream tomorrow. Try to pass some more evals or more combines. I know the long was so obvious. I just missed it. I was too busy yapping. Oh, and now I can't look at X right now because all you're gonna see, guys. Don't go if you didn't take the long on CPI. Just don't go on X. You know, everyone and their mother caught that move. It was just such free. It's hard to believe that free money opportunities like that even exist in the market. But that's free money. Like if I had a live account, I would have 100% taken that. One to two minis here. Stop below this candle. What was that 38? Risk $1,000 to make friggin' 4 or 5,000. No brainer. Ah. Oh, he's on the Elon apology tour. They're calling it. That's so funny. This guy's got to do one like twice a year. That's so funny. He's a legend. Yeah, where are the apology posts? I didn't see anything. It's just a bunch of reposts. And just posts on Tesla. I guess he deleted it. Why is he reposting everything? I don't know. Nor do I care. Imagine getting caught up in this. Ugh. It's a big range too, 10 points. Well, not that big, but. Alright, so we're both lagging. We're about to make a new all-time high. So I was wrong. It happens. People could be wrong. I'm not above being a hypocrite and admitting when I'm wrong. And if you are above being wrong, or you feel like you're above being wrong, well, then you're going to have a very wrong career picking trading as your career. Because this is not a career where you could be like, oh, I'm not wrong. The market's wrong. And they just get absolutely torched. Full port long. What I would love to see. Dude, I just want to see one red day. Just give me one. I missed this entire move up. Just give me one red day where we sell off down to like here. Give us a 500-point red day. I think everyone and their mother that doesn't have investments wants to see this thing go down. Like, come on. What are we doing, guys? Just tank it to freaking zero. I'm probably gonna miss this whole short move too. I think that's also my problem. Like I'm always trying to catch the whole entire move, and then I catch a move I go for a move that's not even there to catch. All right, 2 minutes till market open. Do I set a stop limit order for below this low and then just get worked right back up again? Oh my gosh. Fuck. Decisions. All right, we'll do it one lot. Everyone knows the rules. Well, let's see the 2-minute candle. Well, I do think we get one more massive pump to stop out shorts, and then they tank it. But I can't see anything outside of a sell-off happening right now. Oh, don't sell it off now and pump it later. That's gay. That'd be gay if they did that. Oh my gosh, repump. Oh, that's gonna be. I think we do a pump fake, wick down, flush, but that doesn't really seem right either. I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. Market's open. Oh well, there's the short. Oh, there's the long. The only thing is, if I go short, I feel like I'm gonna get caught with my tail between my legs. You know what? I'm gonna go back to my initial strategy and just wait for the 15-minute orb to form. Because then I don't really get FOMO. Then I could just wait. I could just do my thing, you know. Bro, I'm psychic. I called it. So now I'll play the bounce off VWAP. Bro, I'm literally a fucking psychic. I said it in real time that was gonna happen. Are you gonna blast your VWAP? Bro, I'm so fucking good. Like, my analysis is always on point. My execution is garbage. Dude, I'm so good. I know my shit. I said we were gonna dump it open. I know my shit, guys. I just can't execute on it. I do want to see one more pump and then really tank it to 0, but I don't know. Oh, so they trapped the Bulls and the Bears. Ooh, toxic. Nice little VWAP bounce. Dude, I'm just gonna miss all my plays. Nah, my initial strategy is the orb, so I'm just gonna wait for the orb. Now I can sit in peace, knowing that I'm chilling. Because I'm trading my strategy, I'm being patient, I'm being a good boy. You can do whatever you want, market. So puts it open with a move. Bro, I'm so fucking good. I'm a psychic. But now we're damn. We're probably gonna pump from here. I did say, dude, did I not say that in the beginning? Oh, right, no one's watching. But dude, I'm psychic. I knew. I just can't make money off my predictions, but I knew. And that's all that matters. It's not about making money, it's about being right. That's all that matters. And I wait for my 15-minute orb. The only problem is it's like this whole market just been if you miss the move it open, it's over. Like the orbs kind of sucked the past weeks. Like let's look at the previous orbs. They didn't work until the afternoon, and I'm usually done by this time. Like, bro, I mean, that was insane. So where to go down to? 60, 50, no, 70 point orb. Wow. And then just to get wicked back into the fucking orb. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Wow. This one was okay. So I'm just being a neck bone. All right. Are we gonna bounce off this? No, the bounce ideally would be like in the 40s if we do bounce. So I'm gonna meta trade too. Oh my gosh, should have gotten puts it open. Fuck. So we bounced off yesterday's close. That's not very good for me. I'm gonna put right now. I swung it overnight. Shouldn't have, but that's what we did. So we're just watching this too. Ideally, I want to see it back down to 670s. Oh my gosh, the Elon apology tour. That's so funny. He gapped up again and they're still pumping it. Let's see Apple. Apple I've had on watch for a while. This one's probably just gonna skyrocket soon, unless this gets flushed again. Are they gonna flush it again? Bro. I mean, I'm not even touching. I'm done with Apple. I've broken up with it. Because now we're just in a sticky spot where it could just go either way at this point. So we're bouncing off VWAP here. We got 8 minutes until the orb is officially formed. I will play the orb to the downside. But on that one, I'm going to be in and out. I don't think I'll get my full points that I'm looking for. Or I might play, I don't know. It's just so tough because the initial orb has not worked. Look, that failed. Oh my gosh, yesterday was terrible. So it's fade the initial one is from what I'm seeing. So if I faded that, yeah, but then it'd pump right. I don't know. There's no like set system that works every time. That's the problem. This one hardly worked at all. Like I would never go for that. That was 10 points. A 10-point orb. Get the fuck out of here. 10 points. Wipe my ass with 10 points. You could literally just press the button and get 10 points. I mean, I can't because every time I do that, I get cooked. But yeah, this orb barely worked. An orb, a good orb for me is if it stays under or over the orb, or it gets a big move down of like at minimum 50 to 60 points. But if it's only 20, 30 points and then it slurps back up again, that kind of sucks. Like the orb is meant to be a breakout trade. But this isn't really breaking out of a consolidation of any type. It's more just like this could be a potential top on the move and then flush it down, which would be ideal to see. Hard flush on meta for oh my gosh, if you didn't sell your calls at open on meta, got fucked. But it'll come back. It's guaranteed to come back. Might just sell my position for a loss on that one, but whatever. That's heartbreaking. Oh my gosh, every move is every sell off is just a pullback. Well, that's why we wait for the orb to form. But I could have played the long on the VWAP. I was thinking about it too, but just didn't. Probably got stopped out. Oh, please reject the 22,000s. Let that be the top for the day. I'm so tired of seeing this thing pump. Can we just get a red day, please? Just one red day. I'm so tired of seeing green every day. Maybe I'm just being a little perma bear. We got 5 minutes till this closes. Oh, that looks good for a short. But I'll try to be. I'm working on my discipline too. Oh, Apple puts. Fuck. Why didn't I play the Apple puts? Oh no, that was so obvious. Whatever. I really don't care anymore. We're still in the uptrend. Everything's forming. I don't want any options right now. It's all just so sketch. Wow, back in the 70s. All right. Wow. Well, I guess that's Bitcoin doesn't matter. That's fake. Bitcoin looking to break into the 115s, 114s. Unless it stops here. That'd be lame. I don't know. This is a weak bull flag breakout. I feel like if it was going to break out, it would have done way more. Like yesterday, what the hell happened there? I don't know. A little sketchy. Just fixing up my watch list. Boom. Tesla shorts are tempting. I try to take on more than one position at a time. I'm already in meta puts. Would be crazy if I top tick that though, because I want to see this thing go back down to the 660s by Friday. But man, guys, I made so many good calls on this today. I just couldn't make money on it. All right, so the orb is about to form. I guess my 2 lots at 58. Not really crazy about that, but there. For the orb to the downside. Because I would like to see it come back to the 800s, but I don't need that. All I need is 37.5 points. I do think we get that unexpected flush. Not that what I think matters, but I'm going with my strategy, my game plan. Because then, at least with this orb, if we break through it, that means we broke the VWAP and the 20 EMA. So this would be a decent orb to take. And it's below 50% retracement. So it should go lower from there. And if it doesn't, that's fine. I guess my stop will be above the VWAP or above the open of the 15-minute candle. So that'd be about decent size loss, like $800. Maybe I'll make it a little tighter. Maybe just 10 points. Man, I got my order right. Literally like a tick below the orb. So we'll see what happens. Oh, we just got filled. We're in it to win it. All right, so we'll set the stop at 67. A little tight though, 10 points. Make it 15 points. 67, 72. All right. Boom. At least with this, there's no trailing drawdown. And what's 37.5? I guess that would be, what is it, 920? All right, TP will be at 920. Yeah, 920. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Nah, I gotta make sure I make the commissions. We'll do 919. Oh, okay. No, you only fill me on one. No, please don't reverse on me. Don't do me like that. No, wait. Take it easy. No, I suck. No, well now I got a fucking FOMO. Damn it, bro, I suck. Now this one's gonna erase all my profits. I was so close. Bro, this thing just moves way too fast. I was too focused on my P&L. Because as soon as I press the cancel button, it's gonna... No! Oh, $3. You know what? It's fine. No, we did it. We're good. No, look at this, guys. $3 away. But I mean, I think I can make $1,500, $1,503. Yeah. I think I could do that without Topstep being finicky about the consistency rule. But man, did that order play out though. Let's go. All right, we got the win. We clutched up there. Dude, I get so emotional. Oh man. You know what? We'll switch it to micros. Because that's gonna bother me. That $3. And now we're gonna go long here. Wait. All right. We'll try to make $3 off one micro. Yes. There we go. Now we're good. Now we made the 1,500. Oh my gosh, don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. Let's go. Ah, that was so sick. Dude, I can't wait to watch that trade back. That went crazy. Oh man. What a trade. Holy shit. That was insane. Dude, that was awesome. This one was kind of stupid. I mean, I'm lucky. That was a total gamble. The second one, it just that breakout happened so fast. But now it's time to reverse. Thank God I got out when I did. But man, that was wild. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. Damn. See now, if I only had one lot, I would have been beat. I wouldn't even have that 1,500 for the day. That's why we size heavy on these evals. Another failed orb. Jeez. Wow. Oh, people got trapped today. I feel bad. No one's as quick as me on this. I mean, I just got what I needed. That was crazy though. I said we were gonna flush it open. Caught that pullback. Wow, that is fucked. Bro, this is insane. I don't think we hit new high day, but that was insane. What a trade by me. That was legendary. If you guys entered puts at open, it would have printed. I mean, I didn't, but yeah, my meta put from last night's down like $100. I don't really know what I was expecting. That was kind of I should have just waited till open to short. That was honestly the game plan. But wow, look at Microsoft. Jeez, another unstoppable, bro. That's actually insane. Wow, it's literally about to hit all time highs. It's only off by 30 cents. All right, let's watch. Let's watch Microsoft hit all time highs. Oh, if it just missed it again, that'd be tragic. It'll hit it. Today's the day. Yeah, my meta put's getting annihilated. What a shame. I just wish this market wasn't so relentless. Like, give us something to work with. You know what I mean? But we're just watching, waiting. I mean, I'm kind of done for the day. I mean, what else is there to trade? I don't really. I took my orb. I'm good. So now, if I can pass these two accounts tomorrow, that would be awesome. Oh my gosh, what a toxic. I'm so glad I put in 2 lots on that. Evals on the 50K guys, you gotta just go for 2 lots. And in this market, like it's so hard to catch. Like if you're trying to pass in 2 days, one mini's just not gonna cut it. And if you're trading micros on an eval, you might be an idiot. Like the only time I'd say that's okay is if you're trying to get better at trading, if you're in like the recovery phase, or if you're like like I said before, if you're a newbie trying to get better at trading. Because if you've been trading for over a year or even like over say a year plus, and you're still only trading micros on evals, you're wasting so much time, especially if you haven't gotten a payout yet. You're wasting so much time. Micros during the fundeds, that's a different story. The fundeds, you passed it, you did what you had to do. And if you're not in a rush to make that money, you can take a good sweet time on it. Although, if you're trading micros on like 150K straight to funded or 150K account when the profit target's 9,000 and you're trading micros, expect to take it a very long time, at least like 2 to 3 months to make $2,000. It just doesn't make sense. Like I never like I don't know. I don't know why I sound so frustrated with it. It's just the idea of just trading micros is just I don't know. No, there's definitely days where you do want to trade micros. I'm just saying, like, if you trade micros all the time, and that's all you trade is micros. Unless you're trading the equivalent to a mini, that's different. But if you're just trading like 1 to 2 micros, that's pussy behavior. Like, oh, let me trade my 1 micro. Oh, good risk management. I mean, there's so many nuances. That's the thing. You guys can't be binary. You can't. It's nothing's black and white. Like I'm saying things to make like in what sounds like an absolute opinion fashion. I know I'm kind of talking to the wind here, but 1 micro. The exception to that would be if you're trading news and you're trying to have good risk management. Then you can do the 1 micro. It's like all right. Like, am I confident that this news is gonna go up? Like today, I would not. I would have gone minis. I was literally planning on it. Like if I had a fund it and I was allowed to trade news, 2 lots right in this area, right at the break of this bull flag was such a no brainer. I just missed it. I just missed the move. I forgot to place my 11 orders. Shame on me. Like right about here, right before the 70s, I would have wanted like 68, 968. Stop at 944. Or stop below. Yeah, perfect. No, literally perfect. Oh my gosh, that would have been heartbreaking. I like just missed it. Like it was like, oh, it gets stopped out. Like what happened to me before? Yeah. Wow. Oh, what a tragedy. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for the Bears. I got my 1500 today. This one, DDL. This one did that yesterday. We did meta executions. That was only because I was trying to be consistency because I had like one big red candle on a short and I made like over 2,000 on it. So I was just trying to match consistency. But we might actually pass 2 accounts tomorrow. We'll try to do that on stream. That'd be awesome. Yeah, if we could pass 2 accounts live on stream, that'd be nice. That is the goal. And then we got 2 fundeds. Not gonna copy trade them because, especially the way my trading's been, no way. We'll take it one at a time, like one funded and then one funded. And I want to make sure on these funded accounts that I'm gonna pass, I don't hit the daily drawdown limit. But that means I'm gonna have to size down. And contrary to what I was saying 5 minutes ago, I might actually have to trade micros. Micros. My kryptonite. My thing with micros, they're just so slow. And like, imagine you catch a 100 to 200 point move, but you took it on micros. You're gonna feel like a jerk. You're like, well, I mean, you'll still be happy you made money, but like, you took it on micros. Like, imagine a 200 point move on like 3 minis. That's $6 grand, 12 grand, right? 12 grand. Okay, yeah, Chop City until like noon. Good luck, guys. I'm glad I'm not you guys still training right now. Because I mean, I'd be cooked. Actually, I wouldn't even be cooked. I wouldn't even be trading. Like there's no setup. I would maybe consider this long, but it's in the middle of the orb, so I wouldn't even bother. I'm so glad I caught that. We are also heading into summer too, so it probably isn't a bad idea to size down. As one stock, Intel, it was up 7% yesterday. Now it's down 4% today. That's rough. It's pretty peaceful knowing no one's watching right now, but still on stream. Yeah, I mean, we formed this hammer candle. I did say we're probably not going to hit new high a day, but at this point, I don't know. I still don't think we do, but at this point, with this market, anything's possible. Probably just going to grind up all day, just like chop, 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 chop. Like, it's going to tank. Oh, time to go short. Chop, 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 chop. So, fuck that. Oh, man, I'm so excited. I'm going to pass 2 evals tomorrow, hopefully. Crush it from there. Hey, guys, I hope no one's trading. I hope no one's placing trades right now because it's just chop, guys. I know this long was tempting. I hope no one took that. I know it was over the VWAP. I mean, you might have caught the bounce on the VWAP right here if you were like, let me just get in now. But like, I don't know. Your call. Oh, man. Ugh. That trade this morning, that was so funny. That moved so fast. It was like, thankfully, I put my if I didn't put the limit order there, I would have been cooked. But or if I didn't put the sell stop order, yeah, if I didn't put that in, I would miss the move. But what was funny, I went to place the limit order and I was dragging it down. It was just zooming down. I'm like, oh shit, let's go. But I only pressed one. I should have had two. I should have changed it to two buy orders to close the trade, but I only placed one, and then it just zoomed back up right after to erase most of my profits. I'm like, ah, oh, come on, don't be like that. It was like, baby girl, why you gotta be like that? Just pump right back up again. Oh my god, so toxic. Trump talking about how they should lower the rates. 1 full point. I mean, what do I know about the rates? But I feel like 1 point's a lot. I guess the inflation data was good. I mean, let's see bonds. Like, if the bonds are up, then the rate should go down. Okay, so that's not a right. This is the right one to look at it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So I mean, the rates are going down on their own. What do I even look up for interest rate? Is that a thing? Is there U.S. interest rate? I mean, like, oh, okay, there it is. What the heck? So what? It just stays flat? All right. So the rates have been going down. Oh, from 2023. Duh. What? I'm so confused. Yeah, I don't get that. Okay. All right. Let's play some chess. Fuck this. Let's see if you guys can even see this. There we go. Oh, bet. All right, sweet. All right, puzzle time. Boom. Boom. Huh. Because I take this, but then he takes. But if I take this, he takes that. But if I do this, if I take the pawn though. What? But what am I winning? Take. Take. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This makes sense. What? Oh, duh. Why didn't I think of that? All right. Obvious. Oh, boom. Boom. Oh, it can't go there. Can't go there. But I can go here. Maybe a little bit of this. Boom. All right. It's a trading channel. I'm just playing chess. I mean, every trader should learn how to play chess, in my opinion. It's all pattern recognition. It's all the same shit. Trying to see a few moves ahead, see where the guy's potentially going, and executing from there based off whatever your strategy, your way of playing the game is. This is fun. Dude, this is a great time. This is a great time. Boom. Get fucked. Give me that. Boom. It's all just one big puzzle, guys. Life really is just one big puzzle. Boom. Could castle, but oh, get fucked. What? All right, there we go. I get a castle now, bitch. Oh, that's how. Still can't castle either. Fuck. Oh, what? Oh my god, are you kidding me? That's annoying. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, faggot. Oh, damn it. Come on, no breaks. Super annoying. Thank you, bitch. Oh god, he's planning something. Oh, come on. Well, he can't fork me. Fuck. Get the hell out of here. The call's bluff. Damn it. I'm gonna do this. Obvious. Fuck. And I can't even go there because then it's mate. Shit. See if that works. Oh my god, this guy's so fucking. Oh wow, I'm cooked. All right, resign. So I suck. I mean, that's a grind up. Where's the entry here? I don't know. Oh, I just gave him a freebie. Not really. Remember we were driving in your car. Could be someone. Someone. Okay. Oh, that put him in check. Wow. Get fucked. Hate the castle there. That's all I can think of. Oh, I'll happily trade queens. All right. Yeah, this game is about to come to a dramatic finish. And that's mate. All right. Awesome. Maybe I don't suck. I mean, you kind of just blundered like 20 times. So that's what the Austrian flag looks like. Interesting. I don't know how people do this all day. The thumbnail of this video is chess. That's so funny. Meta refusing to quit. All right, so it's like a 3-4 second delay. That's not bad. Oh man, I was killing it in chess just now. I don't know what there is to take here. I mean, even for options, Apple. I know I missed that move at open. Oh, it puts it open with the play. I was playing that. My execution is I missed the good moves, and then because I missed the good moves, I take stupid bad be amazing. Just fucking tank the market to 0. Imagine this thing goes to 6 Dixies. Oh, that would be beautiful. It won't. I, I don't get those types of blessings, but it would be amazing if it did. This wedge on Apple is insane. It's getting really tight. I mean, puts are about to print soon. I just know they are. I'll keep burning through money until it pays off. I think it's today, to be honest. But if we fail to hit all-time highs, then today should be the day. Look at it go. We finally have levels marked out, so that's good. I get Swifty in here. Gonna get Swifty. All right, like 10 minutes, I'll probably clock out, but this is fun. This is cool. Wow. The Bulls are just so relentless. My God. This orb is about to print. All-time highs. I'm just happy I finally made money off a short. Oh, man, that short was crazy. No drawdown. This is nice. Oh, man, look at this bitch play out. Oh, we reject. Oh my gosh, my exact level got rejected. All right, all-time lows. All right, that's cool for a split second, though. Oh, Microsoft hit all-time highs. Wow. I just can't get over how relentless this is like the most bullshit bull market I've ever seen in my life. What's bullish? I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something. Ah, man. Snow. All these are like the most BS red days I've ever seen either. Also, imagine trading this. Ugh. It's 3, 6, 7 red days. Palantir all-time highs. Literal all-time highs right now. Meta's getting ready to skyrocket. Now I'm going to call live here. That was fun, though. All right. For anyone who stopped in to watch, thank you for watching. Today was fun. Definitely going to do this again tomorrow. But yeah, it's enough for one day. Peace out, guys.